The train is starting its journey today. It's early in the morning, before the sun has fully woken up. The station feels quiet and peaceful as people are just getting ready for their day. Tall buildings line both sides of the platform. Gently, the doors close with a soft click. The train begins to move slowly, breaking free from the station. As the train moves forward, you can see things changing outside your window. Buildings start to fade into the distance, replaced by trees and small houses scattered in the valley below. The air is cool and crisp, filled with the smell of autumn leaves. A few people are walking on the sidewalks, their steps quiet and measured. The train continues to glide smoothly along the tracks. Soft noises from inside the car can be heard now and then. People settling into their seats, perhaps a child giggling softly, a book being opened. The world outside seems almost dreamlike, with mist rising gently from the earth below, making everything look soft and hazy. As we move further away from the city, the landscape becomes more natural. Trees turn shades of yellow and orange, reflecting in the damp morning air. A gentle breeze carries the scent of wood smoke and dew-kissed leaves. The train moves steadily, not in a hurry, but with a sense of calm and purpose. Outside the window, you see a beautiful autumn landscape. The trees are changing colors. Some leaves are bright yellow, others a warm orange, and some are deep red. It's like nature is painting a picture with different shades of gold and crimson. The view shifts as we move along the track, revealing more of the misty mountains ahead. The clouds above are soft and fluffy, giving the sky a gentle grayish hue. Sometimes they block the sunlight, casting shadows on the land below. The sun peeks through these small gaps, making the landscape sparkle with little patches of light. The trees stand tall against the rolling hills. Their branches reach out as if trying to catch something, perhaps the last bits of warmth from the sun, or maybe a gentle breeze that stirs their leaves gently. Each tree is unique, some tall and broad, others shorter, but no less beautiful in their own way. As we travel further, you can see tiny streams winding through the valleys, disappearing into the mist like secrets hidden from view. The train moves slowly, almost as if it's savoring each moment of this journey. The world outside is so peaceful, so serene. It feels like a slow and gentle lullaby for your mind to rest in. As we continue our journey, the train hums softly, like a comforting lullaby. Its gentle sound fills the carriage, soothing your mind as it drifts you into a peaceful state. The wheels tap against the tracks, creating a rhythmic tapping that calms your thoughts and eases your body. Outside, nature's symphony plays on. Listen closely, and you'll hear the sweet songs of birds flitting through the trees. Their melodies are soft yet clear, as if they're telling stories from the heart of the forest. The leaves dance in the autumn breeze, whispering secrets that only the wind can carry far. Feel the vibrations of the train beneath your feet, a steady and reliable presence that reassures you with its consistency. Close your eyes and let this sound become part of your bedtime story. Allow it to take you deeper into the misty mountains where dreams are born. As we continue our journey, the train moves slowly but steadily forward. You can feel a gentle vibration that goes through the car as it glides along the track. It's not loud or jarring. It's more like a soft, rhythmic thumping that lulls your body into a sense of calm. The seats are comfortable and plush, with just enough give to make you want to sit still and enjoy the ride. Your back feels supported, and you notice small bumps in the track that cause the car to dip slightly, but gently. The sensation is almost like a slow rocking motion, which makes you feel safe and secure, as if you're floating softly on a cloud. You can imagine yourself sinking deeper into your seat, feeling every part of it cradle you. Your muscles relax, and you find it easier to breathe deeply. The train's gentle movement helps quiet any restlessness, allowing your mind to settle comfortably on the present moment. As the train continues its slow journey through the misty mountains, you notice a change in the trees along the side of the tracks. They are mostly red and golden now, their leaves like warm, glowing jewels against the cool sky. The air feels crisp and cool as it brushes past your skin, carrying with it the scent of fallen leaves and damp earth. It's as if nature is preparing for winter, but these trees hold on tightly to their last colorful offerings. The landscape around you seems to have soft edges, almost like a painting that has been softened by mist. The trees stand tall and proud, their branches stretching out in all directions, as though greeting the passing train. You can see small streams trickling down the sides of the mountains, reflecting the golden light from the setting sun. The water sparkles gently, catching your eye with its cool, clear beauty. Even the shadows are softer in this misty atmosphere. They seem to dance and move with the trees, creating a peaceful rhythm that soothes you further into the journey. As we continue our journey through the autumn mountains, the air grows cooler and mist starts to gather around us. The sun has set early now, leaving a soft, golden light that filters through the trees, casting long shadows on the ground below. Outside the window, everything seems silent, so calm and peaceful. The train continues its steady hum, a gentle lullaby in the stillness of the night. It's almost as if the world has paused to listen, with just us and the train breaking the silence. The windows are foggy now, like tiny crystals form on the glass from the cold air outside. You can see the steam rising gently from the train's whistle, thin wisps that disappear into the mist. Occasionally, a bird calls softly in the distance, its voice barely audible over the quiet. The sound is so gentle, it seems almost like a dream. The trees are tall and thick with leaves of deep orange and red, their branches brushing against each other as they sway gently in the breeze. They stand like sentinels, watching over the misty landscape. As we move slowly through the mountains, you can hear the faint sound of distant water, a river or perhaps a stream, its steady rush providing a comforting background noise to the peaceful night. The silence is warm and enveloping, wrapping around us like a soft blanket. It feels good to be in this quiet space, surrounded by nature's beauty and tranquility. As we continue our journey through the misty mountains, you might find yourself taking in the air, filled with a special smell. This is not just any air. It is cold and slightly damp from the fog that clings to everything around us. The air feels like it's carrying secrets of the forest, whispers of the trees and the earth below. The scent is a lovely one, peaceful and calming. You can almost feel how fresh and clean the earth smells after the rain. It's as if all the plants and soil are taking a deep breath, filling themselves with life from the morning mist. This smell is comforting, like a warm blanket wrapped around your senses, making you feel safe and at ease. You might notice tiny drops of water on your cheeks or nose. These are not drops, but rather the chill of the air cooling your skin gently. It's as if nature itself is giving you a gentle hug through this coolness. As we move forward, the scent may change slightly, picking up hints of something more specific, perhaps pine needles or leaves just starting to turn color. Nonetheless, these are all part of the calm and peaceful world around us, helping you to relax deeper into your journey. As the train continues its slow journey, you start to see misty mountains coming into view. They are soft and hazy, like they're hiding under a blanket of fog. The peaks seem to dance with the clouds, making them look magical. The trees on the hillsides begin to change color in autumn. Reds, oranges, and yellows mix together, painting a beautiful picture. It's as if nature has created its own masterpiece right before your eyes. The colors blend so softly that it feels like a dream. As you continue to watch, the mountains become more distinct. They tower over the landscape, their gentle slopes covered in mist that seems to shimmer and glow. The train glides smoothly between these majestic giants, each one appearing more enchanting than the last. As the train glides smoothly along the winding track, the world outside seems so still and peaceful. The mountains are bathed in warm, golden light from the setting sun. They look like they have been dipped in a pool of orange paint. The train moves slowly, almost as if it is floating on air. It feels good to be alone with your thoughts, away from the busy streets and crowds. You close your eyes for just a moment, feeling the gentle vibrations of the train beneath you. The sound of the wheels gently clacking against the tracks is like music. Opening your eyes again, you see the trees around the track swaying slightly in the cool autumn breeze. The leaves are turning colors, deep reds and oranges, and they rustle softly as the wind passes through them. You take a deep breath, filling your lungs with the fresh, crisp air. It smells like damp earth and fallen leaves. You let out a slow exhale, feeling calm and relaxed. Your mind wanders gently now, thinking about how quiet everything is on this train journey. There are no engines roaring or people talking loudly, just the soft hum of the train and the peaceful scenery passing by. As you gaze out at the mountains again, you realize how soothing it is to be here. The beauty around you brings a sense of peace that helps you let go of all your day's worries. You feel grateful for this quiet moment, knowing how much you need it before bedtime. The train slows down gently, as if it knows you are ready to end your journey. The windows blur and then come into focus, showing the station ahead. A soft whoosh of air tells you that the train is stopping. As the doors open, a cool evening breeze whispers through the air, bringing the scent of autumn leaves with it. You step off the train, feeling calm and peaceful. The world outside seems quieter than when you first got on the train. The sound of distant voices and footsteps can be heard in the distance, but they are gentle and soothing. You look around at the trees that line the station. Their branches reach out like friendly arms, swaying gently as a light wind blows through them. A few leaves drift slowly to the ground, creating a soft rustling underfoot. You notice how vibrant and colorful the leaves still are before they begin their journey to fall. The sky is turning a deep shade of blue, with just hints of orange and pink in the west. The mist that clung to the mountains earlier has begun to lift, revealing the outlines of the trees beneath it. The mountains stand tall and serene against the twilight, looking like giants guarding the peaceful valley below. You take one last look at the misty mountains before heading home. Your heart feels full and content as you make your way toward the station entrance. The world seems softer, more gentle now that the journey is almost over. You close your eyes for a moment, feeling the cool air on your face and allowing yourself to relax completely. As you step out of the station, you feel a sense of peace. It's as if the train has carried not just you, but all your worries away with it. The world outside feels quiet and calm, perfect for a long, peaceful sleep. Good night, my dear friend. Sweet dreams are coming to visit you soon.